Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sir Mio's Garden. Sir Mio Vlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Also called Chinese evergreen, and that name captures its feng shui charm. The evergreen foliage represents purity, nature, and the positive energy it radiates. Aglaonema is also considered as the lucky plant as per feng shui and considered a bringer fortune. Its longevity, ease of growth, and striking appearance are thought beneficial to the well-being and financial success of the residents who grow it, so grab it now in 2023.